Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's break down how to work with vectors b equals 3i plus 3j plus 5k and c equals 3i plus 4j plus 4k in terms of vector operations and calculations, using Python as our coding example. We'll cover magnitude, direction, dot product, cross product, angle between vectors, and vector addition/subtraction. I'll also explain the significance of each operation. 1. Understanding vector representation. Asterisk what are I, j, and k? These are unit vectors along the x, y, and z axes, respectively. Think of them as fundamental directions. Asterisk vector b equals 3i plus 3j plus 5k asterisk. This means we have a vector that extends 3 units in the x direction, 3 units in the y direction, and 5 units in the z direction. Asterisk vector c equals 3i plus 4j plus 4k asterisk. Similarly, this vector extends 3 units in the x direction, 4 units in the y direction, and 4 units in the z direction. 2. Python setup, using NumPy. NumPy is a powerful Python library for numerical computations, and it's ideal for working with vectors and matrices. 3. Vector magnitude, length. The magnitude, or length, of a vector gives you its overall size. For a vector v equals 11 plus yj plus zk, the magnitude is calculated as v equals square root, x superscript 2 plus y superscript 2 plus z superscript 2. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk np.linalg.norm, b. This function from NumPy's linear algebra module calculates the Euclidean norm, which is the magnitude, of the vector b. 4. Vector addition and subtraction. Asterisk vector addition asterisk. To add vectors, you simply add their corresponding components. If a equals ai plus a2j plus a3k and b equals bi plus b2j plus b3k, then a plus b equals a plus b, I plus, a2 plus b2, j plus, a3 plus b3, k. Asterisk vector subtraction asterisk. Similar to addition, you subtract corresponding components. A, b equals, a, b, I plus, a2, b2, j plus, a3, b3, k. 5. Scalar multiplication. Multiplying a vector by a scalar, a regular number, scales the magnitude of the vector. If v equals 11 plus yj plus zk and s is a scalar, then sv equals sx, I plus, sy, j plus, sz, k. 6. Dot product, scalar product. The dot product of two vectors results in a scalar value. There are two ways to calculate it. Asterisk component-wise asterisk. If a equals ai plus a2j plus a3k and b equals bi plus b2j plus b3k, then ab equals ab plus a2b2 plus a3b3. Asterisk using magnitude and angle asterisk. Ab equals ab cos theta, where theta is the angle between the vectors. Significance of dot product asterisk. Asterisk angle between vectors asterisk. As mentioned above, the dot product is related to the angle between vectors. We can use it to find the cosine of the angle and, therefore, the angle itself. Asterisk projection asterisk. The dot product can be used to find the projection of one vector onto another, how much of one vector lies along the direction of the other. Asterisk orthogonality asterisk. If the dot product of two vectors is 0, then the vectors are orthogonal, perpendicular. 7. Cross product, vector product. The cross product of two vectors results in a new vector that is perpendicular to both original vectors. If A equals AI plus A2J plus A3K and B equals BI plus B2J plus B3K, then AXB equals A2B3, A3B2, I plus, A3B, AB3, J plus, AB2, A2B, K. Significance of cross product asterisk. Asterisk perpendicular vector asterisk the cross product gives you a vector that is orthogonal to both original vectors. This is crucial in many physics and engineering applications. Asterisk area of parallelogram asterisk the magnitude of the cross product, AXB, is equal to the area of the parallelogram formed by the vectors A and B. Asterisk torque asterisk in physics, the cross product is used to calculate torque, the rotational force. Asterisk right-hand rule asterisk the direction of the cross product follows the right-hand rule. If you point your fingers in the direction of vector A and curl them towards vector B, your thumb points in the direction of AXB. 8. Angle between vectors. We can find the angle between two vectors using the dot product formula, AB equals AB cos theta. Therefore, theta equals arcos, AB, slash, AB. 9. Unit vector, direction vector. A unit vector is a vector with a magnitude of 1. It points in the same direction as the original vector. To find the unit vector of a vector v, you divide the vector by its magnitude, v underscore unit equals v slash v. Important considerations asterisk. Asterisk number pi arrays asterisk number pi arrays are fundamental for efficient vector and matrix operations in Python. Asterisk linear algebra asterisk the concepts we've covered are core to linear algebra, which has wide-ranging applications in mathematics, physics, engineering, computer graphics, data science, and more. Asterisk coordinate systems asterisk we've been using a Cartesian, x, y, z, coordinate system. Other coordinate systems, example cylindrical, spherical, exist and can be more appropriate for certain problems. Asterisk error handling asterisk in a real-world application, you might want to add error handling, example checking for zero magnitudes when calculating unit vectors, to prevent unexpected behavior. This comprehensive guide should give you a solid foundation for working with vectors and performing common vector operations in Python using NumPy. Remember to experiment with different vectors and operations to solidify your understanding. Good luck.